Welcome back everyone to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill and today we are covering for the first time the Puma Speedcat OG, and this is in the red, white, and black colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back everyone to another unboxing and review. If you're joining us for the first time, be sure to hit that subscribe down below if you're not already subscribed to the channel, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these unboxing and styling segments. Today we're going to be talking about the so talked about, very popular, very difficult, very hard to get sneaker. These are the Puma Speedcat OGs. So we'll go through the overview, jump into size and fit, followed by how I style this really trendy, really fashion forward sneaker. Then we'll conclude with how much these are going for on the retail market currently. Let's jump right into it. So one of the things that I've been seeing throughout 2024 is so many fashion articles talking about how the Puma Speedcat is the hottest sneaker out there. One of the things I have been searching for on foot here in New York, since I see so much foot traffic all the time, every day, is people wearing this sneaker, but I haven't found one person wearing it. So I've been trying to figure out what is going on with the fact that all of these fashion articles are saying that this is the most popular, most fashion forward, most trendy sneaker, when I can't seem to find anybody in New York wearing them. Well, after trying to go after these on a restock, I understood why there is no one wearing these. They're almost near impossible to get. These are so extremely limited, especially if you are in a half size run like myself. Those are super limited, but even full sizes are limited as well. These have sold out in so many different locations around the world so quickly that this definitely is one of the hottest sneakers that I think so many people would love to get their hands on, but they just can't because they sell out so quickly. And not to mention, lots of celebrities have been photographed wearing these, from Rosé from Blackpink. She has been seen in different color variations of the sneaker looking super trendy in them. Also, Emrata has been definitely shot multiple times with different photographs of her wearing these in different ways, from having it super upscale to super casual. Also, Dua Lipa has been spotted many times wearing this trendy fashion forward sneaker as well. So it does make sense why these are so sought after when you're seeing these hot celebrities wearing these out and about, specifically Emrata here in New York. And I just wanted to grab a pair so I could see what the craze is all about. So this sneaker originally was released back in 1999, and it was originally made for Formula One drivers. It was in a different kind of silhouette. It was more of a boot, and it was actually created with a fireproof material. These I don't think are fireproof, but back then they were, just in case your race car got on fire, you would actually be able to prepare and save your feet from having burns on them, which is really cool. So they've definitely gone back in the archives to bring these back. And in 2006, for those of you who have been hardcore Formula One followers, the Puma brand actually became the Ferrari team's official sponsor, which is why I had to grab the red pair, just because I think that this is by far the most iconic. I have seen other colorways, from pink, which was released at Foot Locker, to a beige tone, which I've seen Emrata and Rosé wear, which I think is such a great, just simplistic neutral tone. But also, of course, you couldn't go without a black and white pair of these as well. So as far as the materials go, this is very premium. We've got that suede material all over the upper. We've got the Puma embroidered perfectly in white on the front of that toe box. And then we've got some simple, just nice red laces to keep it pretty monochromatic on the top of the tongue here. Then the tongue is fully covered in that luxurious suede with Puma's branding in this nice foiled out metallic gold, which really pops off of that nice, simple toned tongue and gives it a very luxurious look. So let's take a look at those details and move along to the side panels. All right, so wrapping around to the side panels, this is where we're getting more of this kind of light heather gray finish on the Puma suede texture with nice, just simple red suede underneath. And then when we go to the back, we've got the Puma logo in that nice metallic gold. And the lateral side is also in that same exact color blocking color scheme, except we are getting this beautiful metallic gold logo for Puma. Then the interior is fully covered in red, and then the insole has white for the Puma branding. And then as we work our way down to the midsole, we have a nice simplistic black midsole and black outsole. As you can see on the bottom, one of the cool parts about this that I love is that it actually looks like a tire, as well as you can see how flat this is. This sneaker, of course, was created to be a flat surface, so it would be a great option for drivers. And then we've got the Puma in red. All right, let's take a last and final look at those details. As far as size and fit goes, I could not snag a 7.5 to save my life. They sold out so quickly. It was almost near impossible, honestly, to get a size 8, but I am so thankful that I got a size 8 because they fit me perfectly. I honestly think if I had gone true to size, it would have been too small. These are very narrow, very flat, so you are not getting any additional space. If anything, you are actually losing space, I feel like, in these. Typically with silhouettes that I have not tried before, I go by my European size just to be safe, and an 8 was actually a 40.5, which is my size range pretty much all across the board for any sneakers that I go after. So I would recommend actually going up half a size, especially if you have flatter, wider feet. All right, so now let's talk about how I style these. So again, Emerada, Rosé, Dua, like they all have styled these in so many different variations, from athletic to casual to more of a dressier feel. So I wanted to kind of incorporate all these different options into my 3 looks. So for the first look, I kept it pretty casual but monochromatic with a nice charcoal gray pair of pants with a matching button-down collared denim top. And I just really wanted to make the sneakers pop for that look. And then for the second look, I decided to go all black with a simple, just black mini skirt. And then for the top, I wore a zip up black sleeveless vest. Then for the last and final look, I wore a longer skirt that was leather and black, and then I wore a nice ribbed black tank top. Definitely feel like black goes really well with this just because of that midsole and outsole, but also if you really want the sneaker to pop, I feel like wearing all black is really a great pairing for this sneaker and color scheme. Goes, these retail at $100. Again, these are very, very difficult to get. So good luck to anybody who really wants to try a pair of these. They are not easy when they do re-release. And I'm excited to see some new color variants coming out in the next year or so, just because, again, I really had a hard time just getting a pair of these, but to be able to get another color option will be amazing if I'm able to do that. All right, everyone, that is it for this unboxing and review. If you joined us for the first time, thank you so much. Be sure to hit that subscribe down below if you're not already subscribed to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you have not already. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We will catch you all in the next episode.
When I walk in the room, all lies when I walk in the room. No lies when I walk in the room. I am the truth. Do it now, boom.